Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. So today I'll be going to a dangerous railroad crossing here in Japan. So I'm here at a station called Hachiko, which is in Tokyo, and we'll be heading over to the crossing using this train, the Hachiko line. This Hachiko line is a local train that runs between Hachioji Station in Tokyo and Takasaki Station in Gunma. Oh, it seems like we gotta press this button.
東半道方面、駒川行きです。
So in Japan, there are 4 different types of railroad crossing, with type 1 being the safest and type 4 being the most dangerous. So first there's type 1, which is the most common one. It has automatic gates that go down when a train is coming, along with flashing lights and alarms. Some also even have a crossing guard. And then there's type 2. This one usually has a crossing guard who manually lowered the gates, but these don't exist anymore. And then there's type 3, where this one has the crossing signals but no gates. And lastly, there's type 4, where there's only a sign. No signals, no lights, and no gates.
The next station is 駒川 Terminal. 線路をお気をつけください。
To go farther on the Hachiko line, I had to get off at this station to transfer to this one. This train feels way more like local or like low-key compared to this one. This one just looks pretty new, so I'm very excited to ride this. See, even has this where you can put in the ticket over here. I think most of the stations, even for this train, has a IC machine thing, so you don't have to put a ticket there. A unique part about this Hachiko line is that it uses both an electrified and non-electrified train. The electrified train runs from Hachioji to Komagawa, and the non-electrified train runs from Komagawa to Takasaki. JR doesn't electrify the entire Hachiko line because it wouldn't be worth the cost. The section from Hachioji to Komagawa has electric trains because a lot of people use it to commute to Tokyo. But there aren't many people who uses the section from Komagawa to Takasaki, so it wouldn't be worth electrifying that section. You might be wondering why the train was honking in the middle of nowhere. I'll explain more about it later in the video. Bye-bye. So I got up at this train station called Moro. It's only one station away from the one I transferred to. Here's the overall train station vibe. And look at this sign for the station master. They even have trash cans here. It's pretty rare, but fair enough. We're in Saitama, kind of like in the middle of nowhere. But they have these IC card machines. It's very home-like break room. With traditional cushions. Okay, I just got off the station, which is here, and we'll be heading over to the railroad crossing. So the reason why I chose this train station is because it was very accessible to the station. There were two other ones I could have went to, which was technically closer, but the crossing was like right in between two stations. And the distance between each station for the Hachiko line is quite big, so it was very inconvenient. It said that I had to take a bus, but this one is a 10-minute walk from the station. I don't know if I'll live here, but it might be fun staying here for a day or so. We're done to, okay. That sign said you can't park without permission, and if you do so, you have to pay each yen or 10,000 yen. I'm glad it said parking, because if it says something like I can't go past here, my video will be like done in a very anticlimactic way. At first, when I looked this place up on Google Maps, it looked like I shouldn't be here, because it's like in the middle of nowhere like this. But there are no signs saying that you can't walk here, and this clearly looks like a pathway, so I'm gonna go here. This is exciting. I don't know how to explain it, but just seeing quiet nature like this in the middle of nowhere excites me for some reason. So I'm a big introvert and I am not good with crowds. I get like really anxious and stressed out when I go to like the Shinjuku area, but I get really happy when I go to places that are empty, even if there's nothing around. And here we are at the Type 4 railroad crossing in Japan. This is a crossing with no gates nor warning lights, so it's pretty much like a road. This Tomaremiyo is on every Type 4 railroad crossing. It pretty much says stop and look, and cars can't go past here except like super small ones. All right, I finished crossing. It is 11:51 p.m. right now, and I think there's gonna be one train coming around 12 p.m. So I'm gonna wait over here to show you what it looks like when the train passes by this railroad crossing. Since the train is coming soon, I think this would be a good time for me to explain why you heard the train honking earlier in the video. That's because the conductors are required to honk as a warning at Type 4 crossings. Since there are no automatic crossing signals, the honk is an alternative to that. There it is. Well, not gonna lie, that was really fast. It just ended right away. I'm glad I got the footage of that because the next train is like in an hour or so. Alright, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video as well, so go check it out if you want. Alright, bye bye.